Hello everybody, I wanted to take a moment and show you how to download and install our Flashback Express here. So as you can see, I've already Google searched it, and you type in Flashback Express. This first link is what you click on here, and it will take you to your downloads. Hover over this right here, and we want to pick Flashback Express. We do not want the Pro. The Express is a free version. So you're going to click there, and it's going to start to download, and you click Save, and then it's going to ask you down here if you want to keep that. You select Yes. Once this little blue thing starts downloading right there, you can open it. So you select to open. On my other page is where it pulls up this. Do I want to install it? Yes, I do. And now it is going to install Flashback Express. Everything's popping up on my other screen here, but you select Next. You accept the terms of the license agreement, and you basically just keep clicking Next, 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 Install. It installs it. You click Next, and then I want to run it now, and you can choose whether you want to send anonymous usage data. I don't really care, so I'll say yes. And then you click Finish, and your Flashback Express